This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Release the clips and remove the access panel from the luggage compartment side panel trim. Squeeze together the clips and pull the bulb holder assembly from the light cluster. Simply pull the capless bulb from the socket and press the new one into place. Depress and twist the relevant bayonet pin bulb anti-clockwise and remove it. Align the pins of the new bulb with the slots in the socket, press it in, then twist it clockwise a little to secure it. Note that most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit correctly in one position. Maneuver the bulb holder assembly into position, then press it firmly into the back of the light cluster to engage the retaining clips. Refit the access panel.